Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to retrieve your archived chats on your Telegram account. And now let's dive right in. Now to retrieve your archived chats on your Telegram account, first open up your Telegram app. And after that, guys, on the top of the list, you will be able to see the archive chats option on the top of the list or the top of your chat section. And now tap on that and all of your archive chats will be available over here. Now in order to retrieve your archive chats, swipe the chat which you want to unarchive or retrieve the archive chat, and over here guys it says the unarchive button available for us just beside the delete. Tap on that unarchive button and that archive chat will be retrieved on the normal chat settings. And this is how you archive or retrieve an archive chat on your Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.